What is up, everybody? It's your host Dinushka with yet again another prime property tour. This time around, we've come to Lake Villas in Kandy. I have one small request to make. Don't go anywhere. Stay in your seats because this one is going to be magical. Now, Lake Villas is home to 34 beautifully designed and very spacious holiday homes, a home away from home. You can even call it your second home. Now, what's very special and magical about this project is that there's so much lush greenery, serene nature. You can just hear the birds chirping and the cool Kandy air just flowing through your entire body when you come here. That's why I said this one is quite magical. So now, before we tour the houses, I know you guys are very excited to go inside and see what all these beautiful spaces have to offer. I want to take you to somewhere special, and I think this, to me, is the heart of this project. So follow me. This is that special place that I wanted to bring you guys before we start the property tour. And overlooking the beautiful lake, I couldn't have really thought of a better place to have my morning coffee or read a newspaper. I mean, the ambience and the weather and the environment and the cool mystic air of the Central Highlands really gets into you in this balcony. I could spend ages here. Now, this is one of those houses, when you first walk in, you're just absolutely lost for words. And there are so many things to talk about in this house. One of the first things that really caught my attention was the amount of natural light that comes into this house. This is thanks to the amazingly designed and wonderfully executed glass panels that you see all around. It helps with giving a lot of fresh energy into the house just as you walk in through the main door. So we're going to start by touring the bedroom, the only bedroom that is on the ground floor. So follow me. The amount of natural light that comes into every part of this house is absolutely breathtaking, including every bedroom, every living room, every sitting room. I don't want to dwell too much about this bedroom. I'm pretty sure you have good imaginations, but the spaces and the vistas are absolutely breathtaking. Now, just outside the bedroom entrance here on the ground floor, you also find the bathroom. This is where you could send all your guests, and fitted with beautiful European fittings, comes with hot and cold water. You know, I'm a big foodie, and to be honest, this to me is where all the magic happens. This is where you'll cook all the food for all the guests and family that you'll entertain here. You know, these kitchens come with solid granite countertops and beautifully designed mahogany drawers and cupboards. There's a provision for a maid's room right there, and now what's beautiful about this is that the maid has a separate entrance, right? So they don't have to come in from the main door of the house. They can come in from here, go straight, do their work, not disturb anything that's happening inside the house. Now we shifted to another house. This one is unfurnished, just so you guys can get the idea of how much space and light and ventilation is available in one of these beautiful villas. We hope you enjoyed what we're doing so far, and we hope you're really immersed in the property that we are showcasing. We just finished the ground floor, and now we're going to the lower ground floor. Follow me. A design feature that I absolutely love is the infusion of metal and wood in this staircase. I love how it does not look like a traditional staircase, and it's made in slabs of elevation, and that really attracted my eye as I was coming down. Beautiful stuff. Now, the ground floor was where you'd entertain your guests, but the lower ground floor is a little more intimate. this is where your private life happens. The lower ground floor is home to 3 bedrooms, and follow me as we take a tour of the master bedroom. Master bedroom beautifully opens up with a double glazed French window straight into the lake, and it's a beautiful sight to wake up in the morning, have your cup of coffee, read that newspaper that you want to read, and just really be one with nature. And I honestly wouldn't want to wake up any other way. It's breathtaking, really. And here I would ideally like to have some sofas, maybe a coffee table, and just really enjoy everything that Prime Lake Villas has to offer. Now, just like we saw in the master bedroom, the garden that's around the house can actually be accessed by pretty much everything that's here on the lower ground floor. For example, this cozy living room can be accessed directly from the garden there, and people inside here can easily walk out. Just really soak in that natural light and the cool climate of the mystic hills of Kandy. And just as you come this way, we have the other 2 bedrooms. We have 1 bedroom onto this side, which again beautifully opens up to the garden and the lake. There's a lot of light that flows in to all of these bedrooms, and onto this side we have the bathroom that both of these rooms, 2 rooms, will share. Again, premium European fittings, hot and cold showers, and I really like the detail that's on the bottom with the white marble stones, and there's a nice reflection of light that comes through the top part of the shower. And follow me as we tour the other bedroom, the 3rd bedroom, which gets a lot more light, and maybe it's because of the time of the day that we are shooting, but then again, I love the fact that all of these bedrooms beautifully open up to the lush greenery and the garden that's around and surrounding this house. And just like we saw in the other 2 bedrooms, even this bedroom opens up to the beautiful garden area in this house. And that's something to really note, where every bedroom just opens up to this beautiful area. I would definitely throw an amazing barbecue here. My friends would come and grill some meat, we'd sing songs. If you have kids, you can make a bouncy castle for them here. Just really enjoy the surroundings that's around you. Now, another point to note is that you don't necessarily have to walk into this garden through the bedrooms that we just saw. The architects have really thought this through, and they've made an external staircase so your guests can enter the garden space without disturbing your privacy. If you enjoyed today's property tour and you'd also like to own a property just like this, well, I've got good news for you. Prime Group is building yet again another lakefront villa overlooking the Victoria Reservoir.
The sparkling waters shine like 1,000 diamonds in the sunlight. Can you hear the birds sing? Soaring above the endless blue skies. Come to a place where a joy to your heart it will bring. Can you see the tall trees waving? Come to Digana, where you could savor magical moments for your mind, body and soul to find rest. Away from the hustle and bustle, true peace your heart will ingest. There are 2-bedroom villas to 4-bedroom villas with Scottish architectural designs to choose from. And every holiday, you will have a story to tell. The beauty that surrounds is heavenly, and your holidays will be packed with activity. You may take long walks up and down the hills, or choose to burn your fat indoors. Warm waters in our pool will refresh you. And the cool winds will freshen you. Live in bliss and cheer to your heart's content. upcountry luxury that defines your life's intent. Share your achievements and great exploits around the table that will inspire others. Prepare meals that would appease and delight your appetite as they dream of better tomorrows and embrace sweet rest. Let the waters cleanse and revive you so that the whole world responds at your behest. Earth, water and sky holiday villas bordering the picturesque Victoria Reservoir.
Now that's built across 6 acres of lush and beautiful land, and each house is going to get between 20 to 50 perch of land, right? So if that interests you, please call the number listed below. There's only 28 units left, and thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you on the next one.